I'm so honoured to receive this award of an honorary doctorate today, particularly from Trinity, which is a university I know that is living and breathing the principles of the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act through both the Welsh language and culture and its whole approach to sustainability. Well, the way in which we live and work in the next decade or so and beyond that into the future is going to fundamentally change. And the skills I think that they've probably learned at university, working together, cooperating, building resilience, are all going to be critical skills for the future. But what I'd also like them to remember is the importance of thinking about the impact that the things that they do, whether personally in their lives or when they enter their professional lives, the decisions that they take, the impact that that will have on future generations. We have a limited number of years to save the planet from climate change. We're going to have some big challenges and opportunities ahead of us, and that thinking and planning for the future is going to be really important for the students graduating today.